Welcome to this short video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a GUI or an application that I created with Embabel Agentic Chatbot. I'm going to present the events that the agent handles. And also, of course, I'm going to demonstrate that chat works by itself. I referred to you to a blog post that I wrote, which accompanies this video. If you found this video without a blog post, then check the links below to see where the blog post is. Let's get a little bit bigger screen and see how we can do this. So first I have to log in. Of course, we use Spring Security to secure the login. And now I am connected. As you can see on the right side, there I have the events that the agent handles. So you can see, for instance, here that I have an in-memory conversation and there are some ready to process. What I can do is I can look at the events itself. I'm not going to show all the JavaScript, the JSON documents here, but it's just for demonstration purposes. And what I can also do is I click here, then I can see it a little bit bigger in front. You see that it says status stuck, but that's because I'm not doing anything at the moment. So let's send a chat message as just a stupid message for an agent. Just asking how he's doing. And that's always nice because they always sort of respond similar. What is fun is that it uses my name. In the prompt, I give it my name so it knows who I am. I take that from the Spring Security context. It says it's doing well. And now you see that a lot of events come by. I want to show you one. This is the LLM request event. And here we can see that it has an output class of string, and there's a lot of stuff in here. It says that it selects the model by role, and I take the cheapest version, which in this case is configured to be the GPT-5 mini. There's no tool groups, but there is a tool. And it says something about chunks that I can find information. Can retrieve items by ID. So there's a lot of tools that are exposed. This is in fact a retrieval augmented generation tool from Embabel that exposes a number of blog posts that I've written, and it indexed all these events just to get for me to ask questions about it. So what if I just ask like, did I write blog post about Embabel? Then we see a lot of new events. So it says here a user message. Oh, sorry, this was just too fast. I wanted to have this event, the user message. Here you can see the content. So did I write a blog post about Embabel? And then we continue. There's a chat model call event. And here is a tool call request event. So here it is trying to call a tool with a conversation object, an action context, a user message. And here it queries for Embabel blog Yetro. And again, it uses a model for the criteria if it needs it. But you can see there's quite some output that you can figure out for all the tools. And here we see that, yes, you've written multiple blogs about Embabel, notable ones I found, and then it returns a few of the blog posts. Well, I'm not going to explain all the RAG part here because RAG is quite, quite a topic on itself. I just wanted to show you in this video the UI that I've created, that you can see the messages coming in as a response to what I'm asking, and that you can check on the right side all the events that are being handled by the logs, but are sent by the agent or other components in the platform. I hope you liked it so far.